Welcome back. Hope all are doing well today. Today we'll learn about how ChatGPT works. Even wondered how ChatGPT actually works? Is there human typing behind the screen? No. ChatGPT is an AI language model created by company OpenAI. It does not think like human. It predicts words based on a pattern it learned from massive amount of text. Imagine reading millions of books, websites, and articles. ChatGPT was trained on huge data set to understand language patterns. When you ask question, it predicts the most likely next word again super fast. Let's see what kind of thing you ask. Question we will answer today. How does ChatGPT answers in a second? Discover the spread behind instant and response. Like how we are asking the question, how ChatGPT immediately responding to us. Does it thinks like human? Understand the fundamental difference between AI and the human cognition. We need to understand whether the machine is behaving like a human. Does it search Google before replying? Clarifying the common misconception about how it accesses information. Because we thought about, suppose we are asking some question, might be going to Google and we started searching for that. How does it understand language? Learns the technology that enables natural language comprehension. ChatGPT understands every language, whatever the human language, whatever the language you have, any language you can ask. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model. This is which say LLM, means it's learned from the language developed by company OpenAI. It designed to understand and generates human-like text by predicting the next word in a sentence based on the pattern learned from the massive amount of text and data. It's different. So ChatGPT start learning. So whatever we are putting the question, it's remember that question. Based on the when we asked same kind of question or similar, suppose I put some question, I given some answer. Then after in some other is asking similar kind of question, ChatGPT will give the answer from that. Key idea, ChatGPT does not think like a human. It predicts the most likely next word based on the statistical pattern. I hope you all have seen the what is the UI, ChatGPT, this kind of browser we open. At last we will see what kind of questions we can ask to the ChatGPT, what kind of things we can do, that we will be seeing today. Okay. So let's see what is a ChatGPT. What is a GPT in that? It's a generative pre-trained transformer. We will see what is the transformer. Generative means it generates, create new text from the scratch rather than just classifying or analyzing existing content. So what happened, whatever the data is there, based on that, it will create the data. From there, it will start giving the answer to you. Pre-trained, trained on a massive data set before deployment, learning from billions of text example. Before ChatGPT launched by your OpenAI, that they have given millions of text, different kind of data to the ChatGPT, and it have all the data set with it, and it's a keep on learning also. Transformation. What is transform? Use a special neural network. We'll see what is a neural network. Architecture that understand context and relationship between the words. Whatever the data we are giving, whatever the image we are giving, whatever the text we are getting, whatever audio or video, based on that it will learn. What is the current latest version of ChatGPT model? You see ChatGPT is using 5.2, represent the latest advancement in this technology, capable of handling more complex tasks and longer conversation. Whatever help I need, whatever help we need, anything we can ask to question and we will get help. As early of 2026, just I'm giving some brief and history about that. Latest major ChatGPT model is version is GPT 5.2, which is the most advanced foundation AI technology. OpenAI has rolled that for all the ChatGPT user. Offered improved reasoning, writing and overall performance compared with the earlier like GPT-5 or GPT-5.0. If I want to write a mail, if I want to write any kind of essay, any kind of thing, I can get the I'm not able to understand some grammar thing, I'm not able to understand the mathematical terms, I can go and ask the chat gpt, will get the help from the chat gpt. The key point about the latest version is ChatGPT actively used to top model in ChatGPT, including wherein like thinking and pro means it's started thinking about how we can. It surpassed earlier version of ChatGPT like 5 point whatever the demerits were there. It did more and more refinement and it started. And OpenAI also introduced one more model, GPT 5.3 Codex, a specialized advancement through 5.2 remains in the core ChatGPT convention. So one by one, say day by day, this AI model they are improving, and so that they can be more friendly to the user. Then user can get relevant data from that. The big picture. What is the big picture? The user inputs the text, prompt or query, which called as a prompt, generates output token based. We'll see what is a token. Processing the data, predict next token, model process. So ChatGPT is like, what is my name? What is my name? It will not store like that. It will store by small chunk by chunk. We will see in the next slide. At this code, ChatGPT takes your input, process it through its neural network, and generate output text one word at a time. The magic lies how to predict which word come next based on the pattern learned on during training. How ChatGPT learns that we see. So what is pre-training? Before you use chat, it goes with a different kind of training and massive amount of data from books, article, website, or conversation, and different kind of pattern or relationship between words and concept. Those all are provided to ChatGPT, which contains a huge amount of data. Based on that, it gives answer to anyone. Let's see what is a neural network. We are talking about neural network. Neural network. What is it? ChatGPT neural network consider many layers with billion of parameters that learns relationship between words. Let's see what is a neural network. Neural network is a type of AI model that designed to work like a human brain to recognize a pattern and solve the problem. How human brain understand. As a previous slide, I given the example of apple, a child, small child, how it understand about how human understand later this apple. We are showing the same data again and again. We are showing the same apple and again. Based on that, you understand if you change the color also with the shape, it understand identified it's an apple. In simple definition, neural network is a system of connected nodes called neurons that process information and learns from the data. You know, in our brains also that work on the different kind of neurons kind of. It's a mainly used image recognition. So different kind of images as I shown the apple, speech recognition, whatever we are talking, language translation, different kind of language, and chatbot like ChatGPT. So these all the base, it's just will work like a human being. That's why giving the is a say large language model. Based on that is interpret the data and give each layer process information differently, building increasing sophisticated understanding of the language patterns. What is transformer? We are talking about transformer. Transformer is a type of deep learning model used mainly for understanding and generating the language. Because we are saying that ChatGPT understands human language. It is model architecture that understand context by analyzing relationship between words in a sentence. So what we have write the sentence, what are the words are there, how it's understanding. It is a technology behind ChatGPT, Google Translate, modern AI chatbot, text. The different kind of things are there, which takes the text, encode and it decodes. How transformer works, basic idea, main component, input embedding, convert words into number. Internally, it's a computer, it's a convert into number. Positional adds words, position information. What are the words we are typing? What should be the position? I'm saying chat GPT, ChatGPT. What is the position of the each character? Self-attention mechanism. Find important words. Feed forward network. Automatically, it will from the previous data, it will automatically understand, it will go forward. Process attention output. Output layer generates prediction. Based on the all the past thing, it generates a prediction, it gives the data. The context aware understand what makes ChatGPT so effectively at natural language processing. As we NLP means natural language. Whatever the language a word, a sentence language I'm talking with you all, same way ChatGPT also understand our words and all the thing. And based on that, it gives the answer to us. Token concept, we are talking about how the token is small piece of text that ChatGPT reads and processes. ChatGPT does not see words like human. Like we read, we can understand sentence. Like if you say someone is ChatGPT does not see what the human do, we understand. But ChatGPT not. It breaks the sentence smaller units called tokens. ChatGPT does not read full sentence at once. It breaks into a token first. Let example or original text. ChatGPT is amazing. How it's tokenized, breaking into the chat GPT is amazing. Like that, it's a breaking the one sentence is breaking in the different multiple words. Processing, each token is processed numerically by the model. What are the LLM models we are, each token is it is just processed with a numerical. For each position they will give different numbers and it work. Convert back to the human readable. Again finally, what are these from again numer, it will back convert to the human understandable language, which language we understand. This tokenization allows the model to handle complex word and pattern efficiently. How it generates? Enter your question or prompt. You need to type your question. We'll see one example here. Predict what are the questions you are given. Based on if you don't answer, it will ask the answer. Give me an answer. I don't know what you are talking about. Add words. Append the prescribed word to the sequence. What you need. Suppose I want to ask something about solve the any math solution. I have to solve the problem. This one I want to, or you want to generate some image. You say I want to generate image of the cloud. I want to generate image. Some like that you have to say. You have to complete human. Continuous until answer completes. So you need to ask the question again and again until you get the satisfactory answer. The model uses probability-based prediction, selecting the most likely next word on pattern learned during the training. So based on the model, what are the past data, with that it will predict and it will give the answer. Let's switch to the browser and we see like how the ChatGPT works, and we'll see some example actually. I think you have seen this is the how ChatGPT works and how it is there. Everything you are able to see. We'll see how it is example how things are working. So what I will do, I will go and ask very basic question. What is my name? Let's see what it's saying. I don't know your name because you haven't saved. So it's asking. So what I will do, I'll say my name is Ritesh. Nice. We'll ask same question again. What is my name? See, you're given. What is my profession? You haven't told. It's saying because I haven't told. I am a technology expert. I can say. We'll ask different question. Can you tell me what my profession? Let's see. I just change the question type. Is it understanding or not? We'll see. See, to understand what I am saying. So this way ChatGPT works. It learns with the what the answer you are providing. Let's see. Who is, what is the current hot news? This question might asked by many one, might will get answer. See, it's searching from the now what is the things are going. If you see so many things, what are the current today's news, we got all the news. So like that ChatGPT works, it understand with this. I hope all you understand what exactly ChatGPT and how it works. So we will keep on connecting. So hope you all are enjoying the session. Please connect with me. Go and like my subscribe my channel so that you will always get the next upcoming videos. So stay with me to learn more and more advanced technology, newer technology, or anything you want to learn advanced. Please put your questions or comment in my comment box. Thank you.